Imagine turning your laptop into a cash-generating machine with just a few clicks. That's exactly what I did, and I'm about to reveal the secret tools and resources that transformed my finances forever. Stick around, or you might just miss out on making money in your sleep. Picture this: you've got a passion, a hobby, or a niche that you absolutely love talking about. Now think about turning that passion into profit, simply by sharing products or services you believe in with your audience. That's the power of affiliate marketing. But where do you start? With so many platforms out there, it can get overwhelming. First up, Shareazel. This platform is like the Swiss Army knife of affiliate marketing. It's versatile, offering a wide range of products from various niches, from tech gadgets to fashion accessories. It's user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners, yet robust enough for experienced marketers looking for diverse partnership opportunities. Next, we have CJ, Affiliate. Think of CJ as the networking guru of the affiliate world. With global reach and some of the biggest brands under its belt, CJ Affiliate excels in creating relationships between advertisers and content creators. If you're aiming to work with established names and push your marketing boundaries, CJ could be your gold mine. And then there's Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten might seem more exclusive, but it's where quality over quantity really pays off. They partner with high-end brands, making it perfect for those focusing on luxury niches or specialized markets. With Rakuten, it's all about creating meaningful, lucrative partnerships. Each of these platforms comes with its own set of tools and analytics, helping you track your success and refine your strategies. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, understanding these platforms can significantly impact your affiliate marketing game. Understanding the pulse of the internet begins with mastering SEO and keyword research. Imagine holding a map that leads you directly to treasures hidden within vast digital landscapes. That's the power of the right tools in your hands. Our first meets SEMrush and Ahrefs, the twin titans of SEO universe. They're like the Gandalf and Dumbledore of SEO, guiding you through murky waters with their magical insights on market demand, competition, and the coveted high-ranking keywords. But the realm of SEO tools doesn't end here. Enter Moz, the guardian of quality over quantity. Moz doesn't just throw data at you. It provides rich, actionable insights that help you understand not just where the gold mines are, but also the quality of the veins you're tapping into. Their domain authority metric is like a compass, guiding your content strategy to more authoritative and impactful shores. Next, there's SpyFu, the master of espionage in a world where knowing your enemy is half the battle. Want to see the keywords your competitors have been bidding on in Google Ads? SpyFu offers you a telescope to peer into their strategies, helping you to anticipate their moves and outmaneuver them in the SERPs. And finally, we cannot overlook Ubersuggest, the People's Champion. Created by Neil Patel, this tool democratizes SEO research with easy-to-understand data and a friendly interface. It's your go-to for quick wins in keyword research, offering a plethora of suggestions that can make your content rank higher, faster. Each of these tools sheds light on different facets of SEO, from unearthing high-ranking keywords to dissecting competitor strategies and understanding market demand. They equip you with the insights needed to carve your path to the top of search results. Crafting high-quality SEO optimized content goes beyond flashy visuals and catchy headlines. It's about creating messages that resonate, inform, and engage. Enter Grammarly, your personal editor that not only catches typos but also fine-tunes your tone, making your writing concise and effective. With Grammarly, your content is polished and professional, leaving a strong impression on your audience. Next up, we have WordPress, an indispensable ally in the digital realm. Building a website sounds daunting, right? But with WordPress, it's not just doable, it's a breeze. This tool puts the power in your hands, allowing you to design, build, and manage a website that truly reflects your vision and brand. WordPress is more than just a platform. It's a canvas waiting for you to bring it to life with your creativity and content. How do you ensure your crafted content reaches the right audience? BuzzSumo is your compass in the online content sea. It goes beyond discovering trends, delving into research and engagement analysis. Want to know what grabs attention or trends on social media? BuzzSumo provides the insights to create captivating content. Remember, in the digital age, content is king, but not just any content. High quality SEO, optimized content that speaks directly to your audience. It's about striking that perfect balance between informative and interesting, ensuring your audience not only clicks but stays, engages, and returns. Email marketing services are the unsung heroes in the world of affiliate marketing. When you're aiming to build a strong, interactive community around your brand or product, services like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Auber are your best allies. These platforms are much more than tools for sending emails. They're gateways to building meaningful connections with your audience. Starting with MailChimp, it's like the friendly neighborhood guide of email marketing. With its user-friendly interface, MailChimp makes designing email campaigns feel less like a chore and more like crafting a personal letter to each subscriber. It's not just about bombarding your audience with emails, it's about making each message count, ensuring that your content is tailored to the interests and needs of your audience. Then we have ConvertKit, which is a bit like the Sage of email automation, specifically designed with creators and entrepreneurs in mind. If you're looking to segment your audience, send targeted communications, and automate your email sequences, ConvertKit simplifies these processes. This ensures that the right messages reach the right people at the right time, essentially turning your email list into a community of engaged followers. Auber rounds out this trio by offering a blend of robustness and ease of use. It excels in creating automated email sequences that nurture leads and convert them into loyal customers. With Auber, it's not just about sending emails, it's about crafting an experience that guides your subscribers on a journey from curiosity to conversion. Imagine being able to predict what your audience needs and delivering exactly that right into their inbox. That's the power these services offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In the world of digital marketing, wielding the right tools isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Social media management tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and later aren't just software. Think of them as your digital Swiss Army knife. These platforms are designed to streamline your social media strategy, allowing you to schedule posts, analyze traffic, and engage with your audience across various networks. Starting with Hootsuite, envision having a bird's eye view of all your social media channels on one dashboard. This powerful tool lets you schedule content in advance, track social media metrics, and manage all your social media messages from one place. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring every section comes in at the right time, creating harmony. Then there's Buffer, the epitome of ease and efficiency. Picture this: crafting your posts, scheduling them across different platforms, and then analyzing their performance, all within a simple, intuitive interface. Buffer helps you maintain a consistent online presence, ensuring your audience stays engaged and informed no matter how busy you get. And we can't forget about Later, a tool that's all about visual planning and scheduling, particularly for Instagram. Imagine dragging and dropping your content into a calendar and seeing how your feed will look before anything goes live. With Later, it's easy to craft a visually cohesive social media feed that tells your brand's story at a glance. Each of these tools brings its own set of features to the table, designed to save you time while maximizing your social media impact. But here's the question: with so many tools at your disposal, how do you choose which one is right for your brand? Choosing the right tools for your brand isn't just about juggling multiple social media channels. It's also about understanding your audience deeply and managing partnerships that help grow your reach. This is where analytics and performance tracking tools like Hotjar and Affiliate WP come into play. Imagine being able to see exactly where your website visitors are clicking, how far they're scrolling, and what they're ignoring. With Hotjar, it's like having X-ray vision for your website. Its heat maps and session recordings give you invaluable insights into user behavior, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to improve your site's user experience. Now, think about Affiliate WP, an essential tool for anyone running an affiliate program directly from their WordPress site. It simplifies affiliate management to a breeze, letting you track affiliate referrals, view statistics, and pay commissions with ease. It's like having an all-seeing eye over your entire affiliate program, ensuring you can nurture and grow your partnerships without breaking a sweat. Both these tools offer powerful ways to understand and engage with both your audience and partners. By leveraging their capabilities, you're not just shooting in the dark. You're making strategic decisions based on real data and building a community around your brand.